Do you know there will be more than 10 million job openings in project management by 2030? And a PMP certification could land you that coveted position as a project manager in any industry you want. Guess what? InfosecTrain is your gateway to one of those hottest jobs where you can establish your expertise by becoming a certified project management professional. Hi, I'm Hitesh, and today I'm going to show you 5 reasons why PMP training from InfosecTrain should be on your top priority list. First, learn from authorized PMP instructors having real-world project management experience. Second, learn through case study discussions for actual real-world implementation. Third, get your hands on 40 hours of mentor-led study plan. Fourth, earn 35 PDUs. Fifth, avail support for application submission. You'll also get 5 more bonuses. First, PDU certificate. Second, access to recorded sessions. Third, extended post-training support for 3 months. Fourth, WhatsApp group for doubt clarification and knowledge sharing. And fifth, free career guidance and mentorship. So, what are you waiting for? Grab this bundle and embark on your journey towards a successful project management career. Enroll now